The Maldives. More than 1,100 coral islands grouped into 26 atolls, stretching along a length of over 800 kilometers across the equator. The country is home to the 7th largest reef system in the world, covering an area of approximately 4,500 square kilometers. It is this unique geography that draws visitors to its shores, and at the same time, it is this uniqueness that makes action on climate change and conservation an area of such immense importance for the country. The Maldives is taking on the challenges of climate change successfully by finding effective solutions for mitigation and adaptation. In terms of conservation and protection, the country has declared 73 marine and terrestrial protected areas covering 557 square kilometers. There are 3 atolls of the Maldives, Ba Atoll, Addu Atoll, Formula, declared as UNESCO Biosphere Reserves. The Maldives is a member of the Commonwealth Clean Ocean Alliance. The country's bold initiative to phase out single-use plastics by 2023 has come into force in June 2021, with the first set of restrictions imposed on import of single-use plastics. Maldives is party to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change (UNFCCC) and the Paris Agreement. Even though its own greenhouse gas emissions are insignificant, the country is committed to reduce emissions and has embraced significant changes to achieve climate-resilient and low-emission development and show leadership in addressing the climate crisis. The country has now embarked on the ambitious goal of achieving net zero by 2030 and is confident of achieving this goal if adequate support is received. Energy demands of the country has grown exponentially over the past 3 to 4 decades, resulting from the unprecedented economic growth in key sectors of the economy. Energy demand is expected to grow at an annual rate of 8.5%. Reversing the dependency on imported fuel and investing in renewable energy is key to achieving emission targets, as well as to improve the energy security of the country. The government has launched several initiatives, such as the removal of import duties from renewable energy technologies and the introduction of net metering arrangements for energy produced from renewable energy sources, while allowing the sale of excess electricity to the grid with the objective of achieving net zero emission by 2030. Financial instruments are also in place, such as the Bank of Maldives Green Loan Scheme and Maldives Green Fund (MGF), to facilitate renewable energy investments in the country. Private foreign companies or individuals are welcome to invest in renewable energy in the Maldives under Independent Power Producer (IPP) licenses and sell power to utility companies under power purchase agreements. Land-based, roof-mounted or floating solar PV or any other viable renewable energy technology may be proposed. Waste management remains one of the biggest environmental challenges for Maldives. Over the past decade, attempts have been made to provide total solutions to the rising issue of waste in the country. The Maldives aims to establish regional-level waste management systems under which waste generated is segregated and the volume of waste reduced through volume reduction equipment or implementation of resource recovery at the source of waste itself. Investment and commercial opportunities are open to supply innovative, environment-friendly and low-cost waste management solutions. Wastewater treatment is also an area of focus for the country. The current wastewater treatment technologies used in the Maldives are extremely costly. Investments are open for wastewater treatment technologies that provide environment-friendly and cost-effective solutions. Maldives is one of the lowest-lying island nations in the world, and most of the islands face some form of coastal erosion because of human-induced or climate change-related factors. The current hard infrastructure solutions using rock boulders and sea walls are costly and ruins the aesthetics of our beautiful islands. Investment opportunities are open for the provision of coastal protection technologies with more environment-friendly, ecosystem-based approaches using nature-based soft and hard engineering solutions. Investors can also contribute to the conservation effort with niche investment in the lucrative tourism sector. The biosphere reserves and protected areas of the Maldives have the most beautiful and unique features and have the potential to enhance socio-economic development through ecotourism, research-based tourism, and expeditions supporting sustainable development.